What's up guys? So spinach is high in insoluble dietary fiber which helps you to improve your digestion, at the same time prevents constipation.
Hi guys, welcome to BodyProCoach. That's Praveen and I'm Mehak here, and today we're going to be doing an easy recipe that's hardly would take about 10 to 15 minutes max. We're going to be making a healthy spinach soup.
Correct. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe because we've got our 4 videos which is on nutrition, on high intensity interval training. I think that's all you need to be fit. So hit the bell button if you haven't hit it, because you get the information on whenever we have a new video coming up for you guys.
Okay, let's start the yummy spinach soup now. So in a bowl, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. To that I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic and a small cup of chopped onions. So we're going to wait until they're slightly golden in color. We're going to let it become slightly translucent and slightly golden in color. Meanwhile, I'll take you ahead with the spinach. So I have a bowl of spinach here. That's blanc spinach. That means I have taken about 6 to 8 spinach leaves and I have boiled them in water for about 2 to 3 minutes maximum. I have drained them out and I've put cold water over it so that it does not become dark in color, so that the spinach has its real color maintained. So that's blanc spinach basically. I'm going to quickly grind the same.
So what have we done that we have grinded the spinach, 1 bowl of spinach along with half cup of water, and it's pretty much ready to go in the pan.
So the onion and garlic are well done now. I'm going to add the spinach puree, what Praveen made. I'm going to add to it. I'm going to add salt as per taste. I'm going to give it a nice whip, and I'm going to add half a cup of milk to it. There we go. And we're going to give a nice stir and let it simmer for some time and let a boil come. And there we go. So our healthy spinach soup is done. So our warm and healthy spinach soup is ready.
Yo. So guys, generally what do? I generally have this kind of spinach soup. I put about say approximately 100 or 150 grams of chicken which is boiled into the spinach, and that gets me a great meal which is about protein and good amount of fiber and fats. So
please stay tuned with our channel. Please subscribe, share it with your friends. We'll see you soon.
And put your comments at the bottom. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for tuning in.